next thing to repair on this truck is going to be this broken handle, which I'm sure a lot of you have done. As you can see, the holder for the passenger side is completely gone, but thankfully so here's what's funny. Story time. Previous owner still had this in there, whichever way it goes, this way. And of course the handle broke. And you know, normally you can reach in there and pinch them two together. But he broke this green one and didn't think about it and thought that it fell to the bottom of the tailgate. So to get the tailgate open, he did this. Yeah, cut holes in the tailgate to get it open. So now I gotta fix that. Thanks, previous owner. So instead of just, you know, popping out the handle and oh look, there's the rod. Cut the tailgate anyway. This is going to be a short and sweet one. So what we're going to do, since the green one's already broken, we're going to take this red one, pry it off. There, it's done. There are 3 13mm bolts on the back that we're going to undo. Once you get them undone, this inside part anyway, this inside part's going to fall, and then we're going to catch it, and then we're going to replace it with this dorman unit that has the handle still attached to it because it's new. Here's the number, a dorman 91133, and then we're going to use this trim cover 91134. So I'm going to get this thing unbolted, take it out, and I'll put the new one in. So super quick, it took me 2 minutes to get the old one out, bolt the new one in. Once you do, there's not enough room to record and show you, but you got to fish the rods into the hole and then flip the plastic things up to secure them in place. So they're both in. Tailgate opens now. So the last piece is to put this handle on. So then it's all together. It just snaps in and it has these 2 little glue tabs. So I'm going to get some adhesive remover, clean these off, snap this in, and then we're done. Like, share, subscribe.